So hi, my name is Baljeet Singh. I recently graduated from Fed Uni. In this video, I will share my experience, what I have learned from study, what problem I faced during the study, and how I tackle them. I hope this will have help for you guys in the future during the study. This is the graduate attributes. In my in this slide, I will talk about the graduate attributes, which are referring to the high level of skills and their quality and understanding the achieved which I achieved from a high level skill during the quality and understanding of the Fed Uni student and the experience by taking the participation in that courses. These are the graduate attributes. The first one is thinker, second one is innovators, third one is citizens, fourth one is communicators, and fifth one is leaders. This is the purpose of our project. The main purpose of our project was to show the electricity consumption in the different states of Australia and to determine the requirements of the electricity by the industries and the household, to understand the concern of non-availability of electricity, and to provide the insight of past generation and current demand to meet the future requirements. So this was the title of our project, which was analysis of electricity generation in Australia. This is the framework we used. So in this slide, I would like to talk about the framework model we used in the project, that was Agile Scrum framework. In the Agile Scrum framework, we were used the planning, implementation, daily Scrum, review, and retrospect, etc. In this sprint, first we see that there's a product owner, there's a Scrum Master, Scrum team members, stakeholders, and from planning to retrospective process, all the process will flow through one life cycle. We can also see that in it, there's a project vision, epics, user story, release plans, sprint meeting, burn down charts, project meetings, implementations. Next one is the dashboard design. In this sprint 3, so this is the dashboard for the sprint 3, in which we focus on the electricity consumption in the different states of Australia. So we added the difference graph in our dashboard, like transport, energy, export, resources, energy generation and consumption, electricity uses of different for productivity and the consumption, and yearly electricity uses in the different sectors. So we can see that this is the electricity consumption by the sector, electricity by the transport, energy resources, generation, consumption. We used it for our sprint 3 and it worked really well and very helpful. This is the project outcomes. First one is the sustainable approaches which are used for the generation of electricity. Then there's the precautions which are needed to be taken against uninterrupted supply of electricity. Then in the last, there is a recommendation provided for the Department of Industry, Science, Energy and Resources to improve the supply of electricity. Next one is the thinker. So as a thinker, I should have a quality to ask the question that what is the problem in the project and how I can solve them. We need to use the challenges in the explanations. We need to evaluate information. We need to think logical analyzations. In the thinker, we have 5 points. The first one is the observation. Second one is analyze. Third one is interference. Fourth one is communication. And fifth one is the problem solving. In the observation, we can see that there's the ability to notice and predict opportunity, problems, and the solution. In analysis, we can see that there's a gathering, understanding, and the data and the other information. In the interference, there's a drawing conclusion which is based on the relevant information and the personal knowledge. In the communication, we can see that there's a sharing and the receiving information with the verbally, non-verbally, in the writing. In the problem solving, there's the process of gathering, analyzing, and communicating by the troubleshoot problems and solutions. Next one is innovator. As an innovator, I have to develop the new ideas, like what we are thinking, that there's, as an innovator, I will think about the problem solving things. I will take the risk, how to observe the situation, how to create a network between a client. We are also using our experimental techniques, that what should the outcome will be. Next one is citizens. As a good citizen, we must have the social awareness. We have the environmental awareness, we have effective personal and communication skills, we must act as ethically, we consider all equally, we should need like there should be no barrier within the caste or something, like we should the main focus is we have to consider all persons equally, that there's no difference between all. Next one is the communicator. As a person, the communicator is a person who is capable of conveying message in an effective manner so that the receiver must understand the message completely. uh, for its duty, we have weekly meetings with the supervisor and the clients. We need to interact with our team members, we share our task and explain our responsibility and roles. Next one is leadership quality. We should have to use leadership quality, which is the main thing. Like we need to determine our goals. We need to develop effective strategy to complete the project on time. We need to select and research our method. We need to manage our team. We need to develop the alter solution, that what is the alternative solution for the questions. So these are the qualities of the leadership. The first one is support, motivations, goal, success, contribution, teamwork. These are all the qualities of the leadership. So that's it from my end, and hope you guys will enjoy it. So this is for our hurdle task. Thank you.